We're going to be going through connecting to a non-broadcasting network. In the upper right-hand corner, second icon in, you will see a networking icon. Go ahead and select it. Select Config under Wi-Fi. That'll take you to your networking page. You'll select Network Settings in the middle of the page at the bottom. That is going to take you out to Windows. You'll select the up arrow on the title bar, and you're going to see your Network and Sharing Center at the top of the list. At the top of that, you'll select View Network Status and Tasks. Then at the middle of the page, you'll see Set up a new network connection. Select it. And you get another drop down, and you'll want to select the third line down, Manually Connect to a Wireless Network. Highlight it, select Next. You'll go ahead now and put in the name of your non-broadcasting network. You select your security type. In this case, it's WPA2 personal. You select your encryption type. Once you select your encryption type, you'll go ahead and type in your security key. Select Next. You'll successfully add the profile. You'll then exit back out, close your window. You'll now go ahead and select Connect. And you'll see a list of your networks. And in this case, you'll see vScan Test, which you just created under your non-broadcasting networks.